In this video, I'll show you how to insert paper in your HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E and many other models because they're all working the same way. So let's get started right away. So the first step is to pull out this gray drawer. So put your fingers right here and pull out like that, all the way out. If it's the first time you're using the printer, you're gonna notice there is this cardboard with blue tape. You need to remove this. Okay, so simply remove the tape first and then pull out this. You won't need them. If you simply want to input regular size US letter size paper, like this one over here, it's very easy. You're gonna take these blue tabs and we need to push them on the side. So simply take your thumb and just like you did, I pushed it all the way to the side. Take your stack of paper, obviously align them and glide it through these two blue tabs all the way in until you can't push it anymore. As you notice over here, there is some inscriptions. So it's 8.5 by 11. This is regular letter size. This is why there's a line here. But if you want to put larger paper, it goes over here to A4. And let me just remove this paper because here you can see it's also able to take 8.5 by 14 inches paper. This is much longer than the regular one, and to be able to input it in the printer you'll need to extend this tray. Let me put my camera over here. So push this tab, hold with your other hand and pull towards yourself like this to extend the drawer and be able to put much larger paper in your printer. But for regular use you can simply keep it this way. Now, if you want to print on photo paper, you're gonna notice here 4 by 6. Well, it simply means that, well, first of all, you'll need to bring these like this and put your 4 by 6 paper right over there. It should stop at the line over there. Same thing if you want to print on envelopes, like it says over here. Adjust these so it's around your envelope. It does not slide around and you'll be able to input it. Another important note is to never go above the last line over here on this blue tab. This is the left one. If not, your printer may have some jamming going on. The paper will jam at a point because it's not made to be able to take more paper than that. Once you're done, simply push the drawer back.